Okay guys, so obviously this is disassembled, and I'm going to try to show you how to disassemble/assemble it. Whenever you need to get into here, you need to get to your push start, or these buttons, or maybe clean this nastiness, and it goes all the way back to the very back of the glove box. And this is an automatic, obviously. Right now I have it in drive, and I can push it over to manual. But the car's off. Parking brake is on, so I didn't mess with any of those wires. Now, let me see if you can see it from here. There you go. That should work. Now I'm going to try to set it back into place. Maybe. Finagle it a little bit. That slides into the back there. And then put this down the way it was. Okay, make sure. Let me clean this off a little. Okay, that snaps into the back. Now this is in a good place. I have 2 screws that I had to take out. Let me get those. This is the first one. I have this over on the manual side. Make that nice and tight, but don't strip it. Okay, everything in its place. And this is the other one. And let me move that over. Screw this in. Make sure these brackets are nicely inserted. Okay, that one's nice and tight. Clean. Okay, now I'm going to clean this off because you can see I have sticky stuff on it. That's why I took it apart to begin with. So, clean this nastiness off. Alrighty. Okay. Now this part should go right there. Right there. Okay, what'd you miss? I just shoved that in there using this because it came out when I took this off. So, shove it in there, clamps on. These are gonna go into the side. Put you back where you were. And oh, I forgot this piece. Sorry. This just clips in to here. This start button goes back in. This goes mat back. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Yay! No more sticky button.